He asked me. He asked me. This is yes or no type question. So you will remove this. In place of comma, inverted comma, you will use if. Then you will replace. You will interchange them. Then I is the speaker. So I कौन है? Shall changes to you change according to the listener. Who's listener here? Me. So you क्या बन जाएगा? Me. Full stop. He asked me if he should help me. Full stop. अमरजोत आ गया जो अक्षरा के साथ. हाँ जी बेटा. नहीं फिर नहीं करेगा. Yes, 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 yes. Now next question again you people will try and next turn will be given to Ravjot. Yes, Ravjot. I का he. You is the listener. यहाँ पे कुछ भी listener नहीं है, कुछ भी लिख दो. Your phone is also correct. What happened, Gaurish? Phone की जगह friend? If he could use my friend. Okay, next one. From girl side. चहक. चहक जितना मर्जी छुप लो, मैंने आपको देख ही लेना. हाँ जी बेटा. उठाते हो. Yes, चहक. Thank you. If who's I beta? I is the person who speaks. If he might only first one changes, second verb नहीं change होता. Yes. So he asked if he might please change one word only, don't change the second verb. Now online students, raise your hand if you want to give next answer. Veronica. Veronica, unmute. Speak something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm writing the sentence. You will tell me answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Jyotin, in this period only, come with Jason, please. In this period only. Second bench. आजो आजो कोई बात नहीं. Yes, Veronica.
My mother asked
Yes.
if
Okay.
if I would lift this box.
Where? Veronica, repeat your answer.
My mother asked if I would lift this box. If I would lift that box.
This changes to that. If I would lift that box. Okay, well done. So next, Shivang. Let him try, then I will ask you. Yes, beta. बेटा जब भी does आ जाए in positive sentence, it vanishes. वो गायब हो जाता है. Okay, Raghav. If anyone, first form changes to. So your answer will be. If की जगह कभी भी use कर सकते हो. Personally, I always use if. That's why I'm writing if. So whenever in yes no question, do, does, did, they come in the beginning, you will just disappear that thing. You will vanish those things. It should be a positive sentence only. Agar negative aa gaya, then you have to write. Otherwise, you will just erase this word does. Is it clear, Rajaryan? Okay. Divanka hai. Where is Divanka? चलो और मानो. One second. It's correct. It's correct. Submitted क्यों नहीं आएगा? Answer 1 minute. Repeat it. If it's correct, beta. Well done. Has have changes to had. So if I had submitted my notebook. So before just looking at the sentence, who's ready to give answer? So Karthik, then Harmeet. Not everyone can get turn, beta. नहीं तो मेरे को 33 sentence लिखने पड़ेंगे. और इनके भी 11th. It's not possible. Our class or my class, both are correct. So see, again you have to interchange the subject and verb always. Interchange subject, subject pehle aayega, then you will write the verb. So the teacher asked if he, his changes to was the monitor of your or our or my class, anything, all are correct. Listener is not given here. In that case, you can write anything. Now, online students who's ready to give answer without looking at the question. Harmeet, I know. Give me 1 minute. Yes, Sveta. Unmute, please.
And which question?
Okay, I'm writing the sentence. You will tell answer. Yes, Sveta.
Was he absent?
Saksham Samar, just wait. I'm going to mute myself for a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Same. Yes, Saksham Samar, please tell me your answer.
He asked if
If
he
was
had absent,
were, recall the rule, beta, were, Shubh.
He asked if he had been absent the last day.
For last day or previous day, all are correct. And please stop talking, beta. तो जिनको rules नहीं आते, please note those rules and try to read them every day or at least on weekend. Okay, last one. इसके बाद I'll give you 2-3 sentences which will be difficult to do. Then we'll see who will get blue card today. Okay, last one is, this is simple one. After that, I'll give you 2 sentences which will be difficult. Yes, please. Nandite Babu.
If I had given 5 the last day. Please put the last day.
Okay. Almost correct. Yes. Any other, please? Almost correct, बस sentence structure. Sai Preet, answer please. 1 मिनट बाद रिपीट करूंगी. Yes. No. Chitesh. सबको डर है. Yes, Chitesh. ओके कल वाले सेंटेंसेस देखो, आपको आइडिया मिलेगा. यस, कल वाले सेंटेंस देखो.
If I give my previous name.
नाउ प्लीज लिसन एवरीवन. दिवांग आपका भी ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट था. सो did changes to had been. Did is the second form. Second form changes to had been if So this is the end of yes no question. Now I'm giving you 1 minute. First of all, note down. हाँ मी की बस बाकी तो. Now I'll give you some sentences and you will solve it. पानी पियो बेटा. At थोड़ी देर में, just wait. Recess में. ये वाले फेयर पे करना है, अभी जो देने हैं वो नहीं. Should I rub the board? Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Revise the work that we did yesterday also. अगर WH question आ जाए तो उसमें क्या करते हैं and yes no में क्या करते हैं. Revise it. You have 2 minutes. Revise them. So blue card बेटा. Revise previous day work also. After 2 minutes, I'll give you 2 sentences. And online students too, please revise yesterday work also. Had plus third. Sorry beta, I have written been. यहाँ पे been नहीं आएगा. By mistake है जिसको. Everyone, please cut this been. Had plus V3. बेटा ये बीन काट दो प्लीज. Savya, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, you raised your hand for giving answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Show any doubt?
No, ma'am, for giving answer.
Or revise beta previous day work, then we'll do one quick test. Saksham and Suman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat 8 sentence?
एक सेकंड. हाँ जी.
8 sentence.
बेटा speak up the sentence, but just wait for 1 minute. हाँ जी. डेट नहीं आएगा पर रूल इसके अकॉर्डिंग ही चेंज होगा. हाँ बिल्कुल. Yes, Saksham and Suman, please tell me 8th one.
No, ma'am, I want the question. 8 sentence.
You have question beta in 8th, you have doubt in 8th sentence.
मैम मेरा मैम मिस हो गया था, मैंने क्वेश्चन चाहिए मेरे को, सेंटेंस है।
Beta, tell me 8th sentence please, जो आज हमने किया। Is he the monitor of your class? The teacher asked, is he the monitor of the class? The
ओके
teacher asked, is he the monitor of your class? Beta, in recess only. Give me 1 minute now. Okay, now close your notebooks. You will not see anything from your notebook now. I have written the rules for your help. You can see that. अभी आपको सिर्फ मैंने पैटर्न सिखाना है, रूल्स तो होते रहेंगे बाद में. You can see the rules. नहीं बेटा, no. Only in rough. You will close your books. अगर आपको आसपास कहीं लगे कि किसी ने नोटबुक ओपन की हुई तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. You are not supposed to discuss. Write your answer. I'll come to your seats quickly. You can hide your answers, please. Pair के end में लिख लो. Only answers लिख दो, no problem. Last one. Now, after 1 minute, I'll come to your seats. 1 or 1.5 minutes. Then I'll see who will write it correctly. You have 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Maximum correct answer.
None.
Online students, please note down the questions and send me your answers on WhatsApp. I'll see them and then I'll announce your name tomorrow. Okay. Please send me your answers on WhatsApp. Okay. Click your page and send me. Take care, beta. It's recess time, beta. Bye.